Welcome you all once again to SL Motherland. Today we take you to the Uthpalawanna Upulvan Devalaya located in the southern Sri Lanka. This magnificent temple is located in the seaside. It is believed that there was a famous port in this area during the 13th to 15th century. The gilded copper roof of the temple was visible to all the ships sailing around the temple. This temple is revered not only by the Buddhists but also by the Hindu pilgrims. Also known as Devinuwara Upulvan Devalaya and Dondra temple, this sacred place now has a shrine house, a dagaba and a botry, as well as a Dhamma library. The large standing Buddha statue seen in the distance adds great pride to this sacred place. According to the Mahavansha, the god Upulvan alias Lord Vishnu, who resides here, has been entrusted with the protection of Buddhism and the Sri Lankan land after the Buddha's parinirvana. According to the Buddhist belief, the god Vishnu, who claims to have the color of a blue marnel flower, will also become a Buddha in the coming future. This is why even the Buddhists worship god Vishnu as one of their own deities. This shrine is believed to have been built by King Dappula-sen. It was destroyed by the Portuguese army of Thomas de Sousa in 1587. Later, King Rajasinghe II, who ruled Kandy from 1635 to 1687, saved these areas including Matara from the Portuguese and renovated this temple and offered it back to Lord Vishnu. Even today we can see excellent quality designs, temple houses, stone doors, animal figures, lamps and many more carved out of stone by the carpenters of that time. In addition, the paintings of the artists as well as the artwork painted on the walls are in a very good condition. Especially every year in the month of July or the month of Asala, a large procession festival is organized here from the past up to the present. The people hold various processions and cultural processions to pay homage to Lord Buddha as well as Lord Vishnu to protect the nation and the religions. So our dear friends, we from SL Motherland ask you to come to these places and see for yourself the religious as well as the ancient value of these places. Thank you.